Alright, today we have a special subject we're going to talk about. Sort of really defining what the skill is in Wing Chun that you're trying to develop. And Ryan's here, because he's always here. So, okay, simple concept here. Let's see. Imagine our hands are in this position. We're engaged, basically, force against my touch versus his touch. I'm here, and let's say Tan, and this is just an example. What I want him to do is, I'm going to give him force, and what he wants to do is continue his attack on the other side of the hand. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and he's going to do his attack, and it's not working. Where's your shoot your attack? How's it? See, the issue is, okay, the way Wing Chun deals with everything is I'm attacking his center. In other words, I'm controlling my center to deal with his center, and if the force ever, once the hands are engaged, okay, let's say he tries to do something, I'm not too concerned about blocking this, okay, I'm never really concerned about blocking any kind of technique, but when the force comes in, he has to be able to shoot out his attack and maintain his center of gravity, or be able to control it. So you control that, right? Control that, right? Control that, right? Now, a lot of times, let's say he's doing that to me. A lot of times, you'll see people like, I want to do my attack, he's punching me, and then I go like this, okay? That can work only if he doesn't know how to shoot to attack my center. That means if he chases hands and I go like this, yeah, he can actually go in there. But in other words, if I'm going like this, right, and then he guides me off, I don't know how to target towards the center, he guides me this way, yeah, that'll work perfectly. But see, every time I touch, no matter what part I touch, there's always attack to the center. So even if he tries to dissolve his force, it's still going into him the entire time. So until he learns how to deal with this force, and then shoots out his attack at the same time, it centers off. That's the whole object that you're trying to do. When we talk about any kind of pressure that's dealing with an oncoming force, unless you know how to deal with that force, one, to balance yourself to the target, and as well as two, to be able to take that shot, you never worry about the attack. Okay, you never worry about the attack. So from this point on, see right here, simple process. I'm giving him a certain force. I want him to shoot off the attack, but look, see his center right there? It's rocking already. No good. Even if he can get the shot off, it's weak. Okay, so a simple test to really see how well you're doing it. If I give him this solid object, or this force, can he maintain his center of gravity and shoot at the same time? And that's no. So that's why he's still here all the time practicing. All right? And yes, it's not as simple as it looks. And remember, dissolving the force only works if the guy doesn't know how to target your center. If the guy knows how to target the center, whether you try to go light or heavy, that force will collapse every single time because it'll always aim into the target. All right?